In this video we're going to take a look at another rugged phone, the Ulefone Armor X7 Pro. I'm quite excited about this phone because it comes with Android 10 and has an additional PTT button. But more on that a bit later. This phone has a rugged rating of ip68 and ip69K and only weighs 200 grams with its battery. So let's start by taking a look at what's inside of the box. The first to greet us is the phone. The Armor 7 Pro has a quad-core 1.8 GHz CPU and a 4 GB LPDDR3 RAM. Its display is a satisfying 5-inch and a long-lasting battery of 4000 mAh. Next in the box, I was quite surprised to find a screen protector with the manuals. Also we found in the box a linear strap. And again your standard micro USB charging cable. The charging adapter that comes with the phone is a 5V 1A adapter. Again, it was a nice surprise to find a screen protector with a phone. I really didn't expect that one. Another good thing about this phone is its price. It's priced at 3,300 Rand, and if you wish to buy one, I'll put QBE Connect's affiliated link in the description. And also, if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell. The price is 3,300 Rand at the time of making this video, so please do check in the description when we made this video. But back to the Ulefone Armor X7 Pro. It is a dual SIM card phone and also supports up to a 256 GB memory card. It has a HD display and also features like face unlock, fingerprint sensor, NFC tag reader, underwater camera, and comes in black and orange. But now for my favorite feature, the PTT or the programmable button. So the side button on the left hand side I programmed, if you press and hold it, it opens my press to talk app. Then if I wish to speak on the app, it works like a two-way radio. I press the button, hold it in, talk and release it when I'm finished speaking. You can program this button almost to open any app or do most of the functions you need on this phone just by going into the settings. But I programmed mine for the PTT apps. Perfect for walkiefleet or even Zello. This is a very handy feature for construction workers, security guards, security supervisors and even paramedics. This phone even supports where you can use gloves and still use a touchscreen. The longer I've used this phone, the more I'm enjoying it. I'm definitely going to use this phone for a couple of months or even a couple of years. This is really a practical phone and it does perform very well. If you enjoyed this video and you wish to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell not to miss any of our up and coming videos. And also, if you want to see a video about a specific phone, please drop it in the comments so that we can have a look at it. Thank you for watching.